It's another week, it's another vlog, guys, and today I'm doing something quite unusual. I don't know about you, but I'm those kind of people who, when someone comes to you with a problem, you make it yours, you know, like you go out of your way to solve it for them. Like somebody's problem becomes yours completely. So I usually worry so much about other people, probably more than I should. And the worst thing is that the same people that you would go out of your way to help, you know, they would not even give two shits about you, really. They're usually the first people to cross you, to double cross you, or say bad stuff behind your back, or just generally they don't have your back the same way you have theirs, and it can get really, really draining. And of late I've not been feeling good, as in there's so much going on. Yesterday when I was going to sleep, I told myself, you know, as in, how about you start thinking about yourself for once? As in, how about you, for just once, you put yourself first, you know? And I've never done this before. I've never done this me time thing, or me just taking myself out to spoil myself, you know? And there's so much to be grateful for that we usually forget, like the fact that you can just wake up, you woke up, you're okay, you are healthy, you are alive, you can talk, you are not sick. And we usually take that for granted, but life is too short, you know, as in anything can just happen and it's normal. And I'm so grateful to be alive right now. And if there's any of you that are going through a hard time or going through a stressful time, I'd just advise you to just take some time off and look inside and reflect and think about yourself. And no one out there is gonna look out for you like you are looking out for yourself, really. It doesn't matter if you have a big family or a lot of friends. No one out there has the best interest at heart for you more than you yourself. So never ever forget that, and whatever you do, always remember that you come first. You come first. Oh, that was so deep. So I'm in an Uber right now. I'm heading to Bluepost Hotel in Thika. I googled online and I got to see that you can access the Chania falls from there. So that's my plan for the day. You know, my plan for the day is to spoil myself. And I have this bottle of Amarula with me. It's my favorite. It's my favorite green liquor, and I just want to go there and spend the afternoon reflecting and thinking about life and thanking God for this special, amazing gift of life that He has given me. So see you guys there. I'm here, guys. I'm here, and these people are hella shit. I can't carry my drink inside. What a bummer. And Vile had pangad for that drink, yani. So right now I've been told to head somewhere to find the guide, the person that is gonna guide me through this. I don't know if you guys can see me clearly. There's too much sun, but I'm psyched up still. I'm psyched up. Hiya, let's check out. Let me show you guys this place. It's so big and it's so beautiful. This is not a place where you come alone, but see my life. See my life. I have this baseball hat on because I don't know if it makes my face look fat, but I really, really love it. Oh my God. Hello, young man. Hi. This place is so traditional. Oh my God. So I've bought these earrings. Let me try them on and see how they fit. They're so beautiful. Little too dull though. I love them, but they're a little too dull. Oh my god. Hey, hii place ni deep. Ooh. Wanamuogopangi hizi mawe zitaporomoka. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, that climb was whew. So now I just want to sit here and order some food. You guys, that is the most worth it thing I've ever done. I'm sorry I could not take a lot of videos there because it's too slippery and I could end up losing my phone. So yeah, it was so beautiful. I totally see myself coming back here again, well, after some time. Oh, and I feel so relaxed. I didn't get to drink my bottle though, but when I get home it's going down. So I'm just waiting for my food. Yeah. Whew. These guys are not serious. I've just been told I need to wait 45 minutes for my food to be made from scratch. I have no other choice but to wait. But honestly, 45 minutes is enough for me to go home and cook and have the food ready. Why do I have to? Okay, sour. Let me just wait. My food is finally here. And it doesn't look that nice, but I think we will just make it work. Whew. This is how my food looks like. You guys know my vlogs are never complete without food. It's become a bad habit. But honestly, this is kidogo food, yani. Are they testing me? So yeah. The salad is actually nice. Doesn't look nice. This doesn't look nice, but it's so nice. Don't know what's up with there. Oh, it's the table. It's the table that is. So chili is too much. Are they trying to kill me? Anyway, thank you guys for watching this vlog. Till we meet again next week, same time. But I don't know if I'll be able to vlog next week because the lecturers are back, you guys. No more free time. So just turn on the notification so that you're notified when I post a video. And also subscribe. We are almost at 500 subscribers.